This morning in Seoul, the number of new infections was announced nationwide in South Korea as being 340,000. That's an incredible number. Remember, it was just a few weeks ago the numbers hit around 100,000. If one multiplied the number of infections in South Korea by 7 to compare it to an equivalent if this were the United States of America, that would be 2.5 million new infections today. Why so many? Well, one reason is because the government doesn't play games with testing the way it does in the United States, and particularly in Canada, where it's just hard to sort of get accurate results because the government has deliberately given up on really doing universal, transparent testing. That's one reason. It's a good thing about the way South Korea is handling this. There's another reason, and it's a bad reason. And that reason is that around a couple of months ago, the government decided to lift social restrictions and just sort of let it rip. And the reason for that is because there was a national election happening, and the party in power, the Democratic Party, a sort of liberal left party, didn't want to antagonize conservative voters. Well, the election was yesterday, and the Democratic Party lost. It lost by the thinnest of possible margins. Its strategy of pleasing and accommodating conservative voters did not work, lost the election, and it's lost control of the pandemic. A real shit show, basically. An incredible error of judgment on the part of the ex-government, now ex-government. So there's a lesson there. Don't place politics before health. Not a good idea.